I'm going to show you how you can get bonus on your test. This is actually the law of cosines homework. That was number 2. So this is a good way to check to see if you do number 2 right. Okay, so when I look here, I want to see if they have a match. They don't have a match, so I can't do the law of sines. I have to do the law of cosines, okay? So if I know that I'm doing the law of cosines, I'm going to want to find that third side. So if I know I want to find that third side, this is my match, so that if you remember, everything I have on this side, and then I find that. So let me set it up. So I'm trying to find that d squared equals a squared plus b squared minus 2 times a times b, cosine, easy mistake, and if I just did that, cosine of 24. The reason I like finding the side is because what's nice is everything else is filled in, but there's my match. Now I'm going to simplify by going 22 squared, 484 plus 625, multiply that, cosine of 24, then take those two, add them up, and I get 1109. I have done as much as I can do. Now what I'm going to do is literally simplify that. I worry about parentheses in my calculator, so I'm going to go like this in my calculator to make sure I'm good to go. So I'm going to go 1109. Minus parentheses 1100, cosine of 24, and I get 104. This is just me writing it down, but I'm keeping the perfect answer. Now, because that's squared, I need to square root. So I'm going to go second squared of second answer, and I get 10.2. So now I got D, which is 10.2. So I can come over here. Now, here's the truth. In the test, you can go, oh, there's a match, and do the law of sines. That's not how you're going to get bonus. You're going to be doing bonus by doing the law of cosines again. So here's the deal. Do the law of sines on your test. Get the answer, find the match, blah, 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 everything we did in this problem right here, like number 1. Then on a separate piece of paper, you're going to show me that after that first step, you could have done the law of cosines. So now I'm going to find a different thing. I'll find angle E because I feel like it. Okay, so if I'm finding angle E, that means I know E squared equals A squared plus B squared. I know they're not A and B, but whatever. Minus 2 times 22 times 10.2 cosine of E. There's my E. There's my 25. They're on the outside. Now I'm going to simplify. And I got my 10.2. 104.04 minus, I'm going to multiply again, this, I'm multiplying this right here. And I get 448.8 cosine of E. Okay. And now I'm going to take these two, I'm going to add them together. I get 588.04 minus 448.8 cosine of E equals 625. Okay, that's not what's new. What's a little bit new is now you're going to have to solve for E. So you're going to subtract 588.04. And by the way, if I made a silly mistake, it's because you know I'm going a little bit fast. I might have typed something wrong into the calculator. You will go slowly. It's worth bonus. You'll be okay. 36.96 equals negative 448.8 cosine of E. Okay. And then we're going to divide by negative 448.8. Okay. Okay, and I get negative 0.08 equals cosine of E. Let me remind you, you're going to keep it like that. And then what you're going to do is do the inverse cosine of that perfect answer.
Your attention, please.
And you get 94.7.
Due to reported police activity in the surrounding community.
So that's 94.7 degrees.
Campus procedure.
So I get 94.7 degrees, and that's for my E. So you show me that you can do that and you're going to get bonus. Now, I will point out that if you were going to do the law of sines, you might not have gotten exactly 94.7 because we rounded in the beginning. So it's going to make things off. But if you show me this work right here, you're definitely going to get bonus. I don't know if I'm going to make it 3 points or 4 points. We'll see depending on how it goes. I don't need you to find the third angle because that's subtracting from 180.